Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learning Spark English. Today, let's learn family members in English. Let's get started. Family, family, family. Example: I love my family. I love my family.
Grandparents, grandparents, grandparents. Example: my grandparents live in the countryside. My grandparents live in the countryside. Grandfather, grandfather, grandfather. Example: my grandfather is 75 years old. My grandfather is 75 years old. Grandmother, grandmother, grandmother. Example: my grandmother makes delicious food. My grandmother makes delicious food. Parents, parents, parents. Example: my parents live in Italy. My parents live in Italy. Father, father, father. Example: my father is a teacher. My father is a teacher. Mother, mother, mother. Example: my mother is very kind. My mother is very kind. Siblings, siblings, siblings. I have two siblings. I have two siblings. Brother, brother, brother. Example: my brother is older than me. My brother is older than me. Sister, sister, sister. Example: my sister is a student. My sister is a student. Children, children, children. Example: they have 3 children. They have 3 children. Son, son, son. Example: he is my son. He is my son. Daughter, daughter, daughter. Example: she is my daughter. She is my daughter. Uncle, uncle. Example: my uncle works in a bank. My uncle works in a bank. Aunt, aunt. Example: my aunt lives near us. My aunt lives near us. Cousin, cousin, cousin. Example: my cousin is my best friend. My cousin is my best friend. Nephew, nephew, nephew. Example: my nephew is 5 years old. My nephew is 5 years old.
Niece, niece, niece. Example: my niece loves drawing. My niece loves drawing. Couple, couple, couple. Example: They are a happy couple. They are a happy couple. Husband. 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 Example: He is my husband. He is my husband. Wife. 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 Example: She is my wife. She is my wife. Brother-in-law. 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 Example: My brother-in-law lives nearby. My brother-in-law lives nearby. Sister-in-law. 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 Example: My sister-in-law is very friendly. My sister-in-law is very friendly. Father-in-law. 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 Example: My father-in-law lives in Spain. My father-in-law lives in Spain. Mother-in-law. 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 Example: My mother-in-law is nice. My mother-in-law is nice. Son-in-law. 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 Example: My son-in-law is a doctor. My son-in-law is a doctor. Grandchildren. 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 Example: I have 2 grandchildren. I have 2 grandchildren. Grandson. 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 Example: My grandson is 5 years old. My grandson is 5 years old. Granddaughter. 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 Example: My granddaughter is very cute. My granddaughter is very cute.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel Learning Spark, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English lesson. Also, follow us on our social media platforms for more English tips, daily expressions, and extra practice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.